Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, I'm just going to go over some of the tools that we might, we are using in this course, and we might use it later on in some extra features on extra course lectures. All right. First of all, we're going to be using a development, a package like XAMPP. All right, where we have Apache, PHP, and so on. And we're going to be using any type of editor. It really doesn't matter as long as you can run PHP in it. We're good to go. In some of my courses I use Sublime, PHP Storm. In this course I might use Sublime, all right. And I in some of my courses where I have more, like I use when I build projects using frameworks like Laravel or CodeIgniter or Slim or any other framework, I use PHP Storm, all right. I also use Notepad++, but actually I have used it in the past when I first started coding. I don't use it anymore. All right, it's kind of good if if you like to code in something really plain, and it has a bunch of plugins, so that's very good. But I just don't like the interface much. And for Mac users, you can also use Text Wrangler, whatever suits you. It's up to you guys. All right, so use whatever IDE or editor, and use whatever PHP development you want to use. It really doesn't matter for this course. I just wanted to go over a couple of them there so you have an idea on what to expect. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.